medicine. Hi, how are you? Good morning, all. Yes, how are you all? You all are very fine and safe at your homes and doing study so well, so nicely. Yes, all the students of class 2 doing very good job. They sending me replies there and there only, and it is good for you. It is good for you because you all are taking interest in your studies, in your work, in your job. So it is very much good for all. Okay, so once again, little appreciation from my side to all my loving students. This time we will announce the names according to the section. First I will announce the names from diamond section. Yes, Adya, Arna, Guni, Avishi, Abhay, Daksh, Arnav, है ना, and Chizen, and Kalindi, Kunj, Kashika, Sakshi, Srishti, Sharnam, Siddhi Pagare, Soumya. They are sending me Vedant Solanki, Vihan Chandore, Vihan Chauhan, Vivan Mahajan, Rishit Manwade, Anvesh Mishra, and Parveen, है ना, and yes, all are sending me nice replies. So this clap for you all, guys. Well done. Keep it up. Always doing good is in your life. And Pranav Goel, sorry, and Riddhi Jarve. Sanidhya Malve, Sanidhya Saraf. These some names I forget, sorry about that. Yes, so these all are doing very nice, very good, fabulous, outstanding, super, wonderful. है ना? Now I will announce the names of some Ruby section. Yes, Arav Billore, Radhe Gupta, Karan Anjane, Vedant Kothari, Atharva Dangi, and Adya Dudve, Neera Jain, Bhuvi Mahajan, Vedarsh Mahajan. Yes, these all are the sending me reply very nicely. So this clap for you all. And if I forget the names, please don't feel bad. Next time I will announce the name also. Okay. So yes, this is of course, this is class 2, and what we are learning in EVS. And which chapter is going on? Chapter 3, cloth. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is clothes. The name of the chapter is clothes. Okay. In that chapter, I already make you understand. I already told you about the clothes. Yes. Why we are wearing clothes? We are wearing clothes to cover our body. We are wearing clothes to protect our body. है ना? From all the season, from all the weather, and from all the insect bites. Yes, pupil, some special pupil, those who are doing special jobs, they are wearing these special dresses like astronaut, chef, dancer, fireman, postman, policeman, soldier, pilot, and many more. Those people who are doing these special jobs, always they are wearing these special dresses according to their job, according to their field. Okay, so we call them the what? We call that is uniform. And in the school, students are wearing the uniform, and same as like you, we teachers all following you. We teachers all also wearing the uniform. Yes, and uniform shows what? Uniform shows the similarity. है ना? Right? Uniform shows the equality. Uniform shows what? Uniform shows that we all are equal. We all are same. हम सब एक जैसे. We all are equal. ना कोई बड़ा ना कोई छोटा. Everyone is equal. Okay. Then I will told you about how we can get the clothes. Yes, how we can get the clothes. Yes, dear students, there are two sources of the clothes. There are two sources. There are two sources of clothes, है ना? Yes, first one is plants. First one is plants, and second is animals. And second is animals. In this category, we are getting cotton clothes from cotton plants. Yes, we are getting cotton clothes from cotton plants, है ना? And cotton is very much light, soft, and expensive. Cotton clothes is very light, very soft, and very expensive, है ना? And second, we are getting the clothes from the animal also. In this category, we are getting the silk. Yes, we are getting silk from silkworm. Yes, we are getting silk from silkworm, है ना? And then we get the woolen clothes. We are getting woolen clothes from sheep, yak, goat, Angora goat, which is famous in Jammu and Kashmir, and camel also. ठीक है, so we are getting cloth from both. We are getting cloth from both the sources. Yes, first one source is plant. First one is plant. We are getting cotton from cotton plants. Yes, cotton is very much light to wear. It is very much soft, and we all likes to wear cotton clothes, and it is expensive too. ये थोड़ा महंगा होता है. Why? Because nature ने हमको दिया है. Nature gives us these things, है ना? Then animals. Yes, definitely silk and silkworm. Yes, silk. Mama is wearing silk sari. Papa is wearing silk kurta. So silk we are getting from silkworm. Silk we are getting from silkworm. And this silkworm, yes, silkworm is very we are getting silkworm from animals. We are getting silkworm from animals. Okay, and silk clothes is very expensive. Silk clothes and very expensive. Then we are getting the woolen clothes. We get the woolen clothes from sheep, yak, and Angora goat. Yes, and then now it's time to learn about some man-made fabric. It's time to learn about man-made fabric. Okay, so yes, first I will read what is written in your book, then I will explain you. Okay, when you will watch the video, then please keep this book with you and notebook also. Yes, this wala paragraph I will read for you. This wala paragraph. Okay, we can also make some clothes on our own. Cotton mixed with a strong thread like rayon or nylon. These two words you have to underline. Rayon and nylon is also used to make clothes, है ना? Then clothes made from rayon or nylon are attractive. This word attractive you have to underline. This word attractive. Rayon, nylon, and attractive. These three words you have to underline. What they are not good for our skin. Okay. We get fur and feather from the animals such as fox, mica, buffalo, and snake. These animals are killed to make clothes for us. Do you think it is right to kill animals for their fur and the skin? Okay, so this is the reading part. Now I will explain you what is written on these lines and what is the meaning of these lines. Yes. So first I will erase this, then we will discuss about the types of fibers. We will discuss about the types of fibers. Type of fiber. Okay, so we will discuss about type of fiber. Yes. Now tell me type of fibers. In order to learn, we need to know about the type of fibers, right? What do you mean by the type of fibers? What you understand when you will see this line, when you will read this line, what you understand? आपको क्या समझ में आता है? Type of fibers यानी क्या होता है? Type of fiber means the how many types of fibers are there? कितने तरह के fibers होते हैं? कितने तरह के fibers होते हैं? Okay, what do you mean by type of fiber? What do you mean by types of fiber? Okay, this question is in your mind. See, dear students, when you will read something, definitely some questions comes to you in your minds. Okay, yes. So fiber is a long thread, right? I already told you what? I already told you that this long thread is called fiber. This long thread is called fiber, right? है ना? This long thread is called fiber, but not entirely so. Which type of clothes we prefer? Now, give me some answers. Which type of clothes we prefer to wear in summer season? Yes, of course we all prefer to wear the cotton clothes. Yes, because cotton clothes are very light and soft, and when we will wear the cotton cloth, we feel comfortable, we feel very cozy. So the cotton fabric is very light and soft, so we all likes to wear the cotton clothes, है ना? Then which type of clothes you prefer to wear in winter season? Which type of clothes you prefer to wear in winter season? Yes, of course, the woolen clothes. During winter season, we all likes to prefer cozy and comfortable woolen clothes. Suppose your woolen clothes will give you scratch on your body. अगर आपको woolen clothes पहनते समय body में खुजली आ रही, you are not feeling comfortable, you are doing a whole day like this is scratching over here and here. So are you feeling good when you will wear this type of clothes? No. So we all like to prefer to wear the cozy, comfortable and the cozy winter clothes. Okay, है ना? See, we humans always prefer to wear the light and cozy clothes. ठीक है? When we will go to market, we always see the texture. Texture means the material. कपड़े का मटेरियल कैसा है? मम्मी ऐसे हाथ लगा के देखती है ना, ऐसे करके, कि ये कपड़े का मटेरियल कैसा है, अच्छा है कि नहीं है ना? इसको पहनने के बाद हमें गर्मी तो नहीं लगेगी, इसको पहनने के बाद हमें बॉडी में इचिंग तो नहीं आएगी, स्क्रैचिंग तो नहीं आएगी, है ना? सो वी ऑल सी दीज टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स व्हेन वी विल गो टू मार्केट बाय दी क्लोथ्स, है ना? देन अच्छा, टेल मी वन थिंग, यू ऑल आर स्टूडेंट्स. Am I right? Yes, right. You all are the good and the smart students of class 2. Now, when you will go to school, when you will come to school, okay, then definitely you will bring your bags. Definitely when the new session will start, that time your parents will buy the new bag for you. Am I right? है ना? Yes, I am right. All the parents will prefer to give you new bag before the starts new session, है ना? Yes. अच्छा, जब आप नया बैग खरीदते हो, you always try to go with your parents. आप अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ जाने की जिद करते हो, because you want to buy the bag according to your choice. According to your choice. Okay. Suppose you went to market and shop वाला भैया, that shopkeeper make you see many bags and you have chosen one bag among all these bags, है ना. उन सब में से दुकान वाले भैया ने, शॉपकीपर ने आपको बहुत सारे बैग्स दिखाए और उन सब में से आपने एक बैग को चूज किया, ठीक है. बट एट द सेम टाइम योर पेरेंट्स हैव चोजन एनी अदर बैग फॉर यू. योर पेरेंट्स हैव chosen any other bag for you. Then what you will do? What your parents will convince you? Your parents will try to convince you. नहीं बेटा, don't take this. This is not reliable. Don't take this bag. ये वाला बैग आपको नहीं लेना है. Why? Then they starts making you understand. Then they starts making you understand. No. This bag is not very much reliable. See, the leather of this bag is not good. The zips of this bag is not good. When you will keep all the books inside the bag, your bag became very heavy, and this material of the bag is not able to carry this kind of heavy weight. So this is my advice to don't take this bag. टेक दिस वाला बैग. फिर आपको मम्मी पापा इस तरह से समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि जब आप बहुत सारी बुक्स अपने बैग में रखेंगे तो ये बैग हैवी हो जाएगा एंड दिस मटेरियल ऑफ दिस बैग इज़ नॉट एबल टू कैरी ऑल द हैवी बैग. वो इतना वजन उठाने के लिए एबल नहीं है. सो यू कन्विंस्ड, दैट टाइम यू कन्विंस. सो व्हाट यू प्रेफर? आपने क्या प्रेफर किया? आपने कंफर्टेबल चूज़ किया कि आपने उसकी लॉन्ग लाइफ चूज़ करी? क्या चूज़ करा? हाँ, आपने उसकी स्ट्रॉन्गनेस चूज़ करी कि आपने कंफर्टेबल. डेफिनेटली व्हेन वी विल गो फॉर बाय द क्लोथ्स, डेफिनेटली व्हेन वी विल गो टू बाय द क्लोथ्स, जब हम कपड़े खरीदने जाते हैं, वी ऑलवेज सी दैट द कंफर्टेबल, है ना. देन we will prefer to take the light and cozy cloth. But when we will go to buy a bag, that time we see the strong bag. We will not see that this bag is comfortable or not. उस समय हम ये नहीं देखते कि ये बैग कंफर्टेबल है कि नहीं है. हम ये देखते हैं कि ये बैग स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि नहीं है, हमारी बुक्स का वजन उठा सकता है कि नहीं, ठीक है. सो bag should be stronger rather than the comfortable. Okay, so we can divide fabrics. We can divide fabric into two parts. We can divide fabric into two parts. We can divide fabric into two parts. ठीक है, we can divide fabrics into two parts. Okay, what are these? First one is natural. And second one is synthetic. First one is natural and second one is synthetic. Okay, first one is natural and second one is synthetic. See, these natural. Natural means what? Natural means we are getting from the plants and the animals. In this category there are two categories. First, plants and second, animals. Okay, first plants and second animal. And in this synthetic category what type of clothes will come? Think what type of clothes will come? किस टाइप के क्लोथ्स आएंगे इस सिंथेटिक कैटेगरी में? किस टाइप के क्लोथ्स आएंगे इस सिंथेटिक कैटेगरी में? सी, नेचुरल कैटेगरीज बिलोंग्स टू sources, plants and animal. Okay, in this category we can get cotton from cotton plants. Okay, and in this animal category, yes, sheep, silkworm and yak and etc. Okay, ठीक है. Then this synthetic category. Okay, see, natural fibers obtained from natural sources. These natural fibers we obtain from the natural sources. And what are those sources? Those sources are plants and animals. In this we will get cotton from cotton plants, we get woolen clothes from sheep, yak, camel and all, and we will get silk from silkworm. Okay, but what about the synthetic? What about the synthetic fabric? Huh? What about the synthetic fabric? Huh? What about the synthetic fabric? Synthetic fabric कैसे मिलती है? Have you ever think कि synthetic fabric कैसे मिलती है? हाँ? Today I will let you know. I will tell you how we can get the synthetic fabric. See, the fabric made by the human beings. This synthetic fabric is made by the human beings. Where? In the laboratories. In the laboratories. See, we human beings are using lots of chemicals, and by using the chemicals we can get these synthetic clothes. And where we are making these synthetic clothes, we are using the laboratories. We are using the laboratories to making the synthetic fiber, to making the synthetic fabrics. Okay, so see, we are getting natural clothes from natural resources. ये हमने नहीं बनाए हैं, ये हमको प्रकृति ने दिए. We get from the nature. ये हमें प्रकृति ने दिए हैं. But this synthetic fabric we made in the laboratories. Okay, so first I will show you this. What is this? What is this type? See, I am making a necklace. Okay, it will look like necklace. It will looks like a necklace. Okay, then I will explain you how we can get the synthetic fabric. Synthetic fabric हमें कैसे मिलता है? How we can get the synthetic fabric. हम कैसे बनाते हैं उनको लैब्स में, कैसे बनाया जाता है, कैसे क्रिएट किया जाता है, कैसे केमिकल्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं सिंथेटिक फैब्रिक बनाते समय. ओके, सो हैव यू सीन दिस नेकलेस? है ना, आपको ये नेकलेस दिखाई दे रहा है? यस. अब दिस इज द यूनिट ऑफ सिंथेटिक फैब्रिक. दिस इज द यूनिट ऑफ सिंथेटिक फैब्रिक. सी, this is the units. These small beads are looking like the units. ये जो छोटी छोटी small black दिख रही है ना बेटा आपको, these all are the units. These all are the units. What we call this a synthetic fabric unit. Okay, and ये जो एक होती है ना बेटा, ये जो एक है, यहाँ पर लिटिल एक्सप्लेनेशन आई एम टेलिंग यू इन हिंदी सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड नाइसली. ये जो एक यूनिट है ना बेटा, विच यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, जो आपको यहाँ पर दिखाई दे रही है, इट कॉल मोनोमर. वो क्या कहलाती है? वो कहलाती है मोनोमर। क्या कहलाती है ये यूनिट? इट इज कॉल्ड मोनोमर। ठीक है ना? ये क्या कहलाती है? याद रखना आपको, कीप दिस वर्ड मोनोमर इज इन योर माइंड। दिस वन यूनिट इज कॉल्ड मोनोमर। This one unit called is monomer. When this monomer repeated again and again, when this monomer repeat it again and again, जब ये बार बार repeat होते हैं, when these all monomers are repeating again and again, again and again, है ना? जब ये बार बार repeat होते हैं तो देखा आपने कैसी chain बन गई है इसकी, है ना? कैसी इसकी एक chain बन गई है। So when this monomer repeated it again and again, it's formed like a chain. It's formed like a chain. See, one more example I will tell you like this. See, this one is called what? This one is called monomer. This one is called monomer. ठीक है? When this monomer, when this one unit, it repeat it again and again. ये वाली जो यूनिट है ना बेटा, this one unit, एक वाली जो होती है वो मोनोमर कहलाता है। ये जो एक बीट है ना, ये जो एक ब्लैक प्लस है ना, ये मोनोमर कहलाता है। लेकिन जब ये बार बार रिपीट होता है, when it repeat it again and again, it forms like a chain, और ये एक चेन जैसा बन जाता है। It forms like a chain, है ना? And this entire chain is called what? Polymer. This entire chain is called what? Polymer. ठीक है? इस पूरी की पूरी चेन को क्या कहते हैं? इस पूरी चेन को कहते हैं पोलीमर। ये जो एक है ना, ये मोनोमर है। ये जो एक बीट है, that is called monomer. But when it will come again and again, and it convert into a chain. It convert into chain. Then it became what? Then it became polymer. तब वो क्या बन जाता है? वो polymer बन जाता है। And basically all the synthetic that we are getting is in on polymer. जितने भी synthetic clothes हम पहनते हैं, जो भी synthetic material we are using in our daily life, it's called polymer. वो क्या कहलाता है? वो कहलाता है polymer. Okay, so here you can see the sources of fabric. There are two types of sources of fabric. First one is natural, and second one is synthetic fabric, or we can say artificial fabric, or we can say man-made fabric. There are three names. Yes, artificial or man-made. ठीक है? Yes, so this is natural plants. Yes, natural में दो resources होते हैं. There are two sources. First one is cotton, second one is animal. है ना? We are getting cotton clothes from cotton plant only, and animal gives us woolen clothes as well as silk. Silkworm give us silk clothes, है ना? Then this synthetic fabric. Yes, synthetic fabric we can call the artificial fabric also, and we can call the man-made fabric also. इसके तीन नाम है: synthetic fabric, artificial fabric और man-made fabric. And how we can get the synthetic fabric? synthetic कपड़ा जो है वो कैसे बनता है? So this process, ये जो one unit होती है, this one unit called is monomer. And when this unit will repeat it again and again, और जब ये units बार बार repeat होती हैं, when this unit it's repeated again and again, so it's convert into a chain. Then it's convert into a chain, and this chain is called polymer. And this chain is called what? This chain is called polymer. And we human are using lots of synthetic fabric in our daily life. We humans are using lots of fabrics in our daily life. Okay, so name of that synthetic fabric or artificial fabric or man-made fabrics are nylon, polyester, है ना, then the rayon and the acrylic fabric. Okay, so here we will learn about the 4 type of fabric. First one, rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. These 4 we will talk about in our next lecture. इन 4 चीज़ों के बारे में हम हमारे अगले लेक्चर में सीखेंगे. यहाँ पर आपके लिए सिर्फ इतनी ही इंफॉर्मेशन सफिशिएंट है. Why? Because if I will take much of concept in one day, you will get confused. आप confuse हो जाओगे, आपको चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आएंगी. इसलिए this little concept, first you understand what do you mean by type of fabric. What do you mean by type of fabric? The mean by type of fabric means we human are using 2 types of fabrics. We human are using 2 type of fabric. First one we are getting from natural resources. Here first one we are getting from natural resources and second one is synthetic fiber. Okay, in the natural resources there are 2 categories. In the natural resources there are 2 categories. First one is plant, second one is animals. We are getting cotton from cotton plants, we are getting silk clothes from silkworm, and we are getting woolen clothes from sheep, yak, angora goat and many more. Okay, and here synthetic fabric. Yes, synthetic fabric is called, artificial fabric is called man-made fabric. Man-made fabric इसलिए because ये हमने बनाया है. It's we are not getting from nature. ये हमें नेचर से नहीं मिला है. See, when your mama will go in any party, that time she will wear the artificial jewelries. वो artificial jewelries पहनती हैं, artificial jewelry पहनती है ना, है ना. So this word is artificial. You heard there ना, artificial jewelry, artificial this, artificial that. So it is not get from the nature. जो गोल्ड होता है, जो सोना होता है, when your mama will wear the gold necklace, gold ring, that time she is using gold and we are getting gold from nature. हमें नेचर से मिलता है गोल्ड, हम सोना नहीं बना सकते. But we can make the artificial jewelries. We can make the artificial jewelries as like we human can make the artificial fabric also. We human can make the artificial fabric also. Or for making artificial fabric you have to understand this is the chain of the artificial fabric, है ना. इसकी जो एक यूनिट होती है, this one unit is called what? This one unit is called monomer. एक वाला जो ये जो एक बीट है ना बेटा, ये जो एक यूनिट है that is called monomer, है ना. But when it will come into again and again, it will repeat into again and again. यहाँ पे repeat, यहाँ repeat. It will repeat it again and again, 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 again and again. So it form like a chain. तो उसकी एक chain जैसी बन जाती है. It's form like a chain, and this chain is called polymer. And this chain is called polymer. Okay, understood? This one unit is called monomer. An entire chain, this entire process is called polymer. Okay, and we people are using synthetic clothes is in our daily life. Why? Because this synthetic clothes is very cheap, बहुत सस्ते होते हैं. And these natural clothes are very expensive, ये बहुत महंगे होते हैं. And this synthetic clothes has long life, and this natural clothes automatically, मम्मी की कई बार कॉटन की साड़ियाँ रखे रखे फट जाती हैं, रखे रखे उनमें बीच के जो रेशे होते हैं, जो ताने बाने होते हैं, वो कट जाते हैं, है ना. So in our next lecture I will make you learn about many things about the rayon, nylon and the polyester acrylic. Okay, so this explanation is enough for today. We will meet tomorrow with the new information, with more information about the synthetic cloth or artificial cloth or man-made cloth. So it's enough from my side. Bye bye, have a nice day, God bless, stay safe, stay home and do study well. बाय.